Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your remote to your Toshiba Smart TV. First, check your remote. Some Toshiba Smart TV remotes use Bluetooth and must be paired with the TV before they work. If you have a Bluetooth remote, start by putting it close to the TV, within about 1 meter. Press and hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. This tells the remote to enter pairing mode. You may see a small light flash on the remote while you hold the button. While the remote is in pairing mode, look at your TV screen. If your TV shows a message about adding or pairing a remote, follow the on-screen prompts. If your TV menu allows manual pairing, go to Settings on the TV. Then open Remotes and Accessories or the Bluetooth section. Turn Bluetooth on if it is turned off. Choose the option to add a new remote. If the remote still does not work, check the batteries. Open the back of the remote and remove the old batteries. Put in new batteries and make sure the plus and minus symbols match the markings inside the remote. If nothing works, restart the TV. Unplug it from the wall and wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Try the pairing steps again slowly. This should help you connect your remote to your Toshiba Smart TV. Thanks for watching.